Today we will be exploring a solution for speech recognition using an NVIDIA P106-100 graphic cards with 6 GB of video memory. It's been undervolted to keep the chip's power consumption never exceeding 0.9 volts. The video card's power consumption is generally limited to 50%. This is to ensure that a power supplier with a capacity of 350 watts can handle the video card simultaneously with a 6-core Intel Xeon processor. I showed in one of my previous videos how much limitations affect the speed of the video card. Naturally, we will be running the speech recognition model offline on the video card. And out of all the models, I really liked the Whisper model. According to my opinion, the reviews of it are the best at 2025. Initially, I tried to install the Whisper model through Python, but the time I had allotted for the task was not enough. This was due to my insufficient knowledge of Python. Therefore, I decided to take a ready-made build for the Windows operating system. The build is called Faster Whisper XXL. I took version 1.9.2. It's a previous version. You can take the latest version instead. The size of the distribution is about 1 GB. The space it occupied on the disk is about 4 GB. In addition, you need the files of the model. The medium model, which we will be working with today, has a size of almost 1.5 GB. I'm running speech recognition through the command line. In it, the call is passed through the name of the files, the launch parameters, language, which model is used, and what format the recognized result is output. You can output it as text or as subtitles. There are other options. Which language can be specified? We can look it up in the model. Let's go to the folder of the model. Here we will try the readme file. As you can see, here are listed the languages that, as far as we can see, this model supports. There are many of them. When I didn't have a video card yet, I used VOSC neural network for speech recognition. It works quite well on the CPU. An interesting feature is that the Whisper model can recognize text in one language and immediately translate it into English. And when I record this video, I have got ideas that not only English. The key task translate. Let's start with generation subtitles for a small piece of MTV from 93 year. There are two girls in the studio who try to answer a quiz questions correctly.
I can play that on my Gibson Les Paul.
Go on then.
Ashley Pangborn model. I can't actually, Rob, play it to you.
No, you're a lie.
No, because I haven't got an amplifier, actually.
Well, we could listen.
Okay, right. Can we have...
I don't know.
Oh, have a go. Over to you, Claudia.
Where should I go? Any cams and sprays?
Yo, Elskadi. Photo.
Okay, and t-shirt.
And a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Got that, Alan?
Let's see how long it takes us to recognize the speech in this 9 minutes video clip. I have already created this file with the Faster Whisper XXL command launch. This command can recognize up to 9 files without reloading models. The model is then reloaded and the recognition of the next 9 files continues. Now I am just transferring one audio file to shortcut. The recognition process has started. Video memory is not being used yet. Half a gigabyte is occupied by the system. We see the Faster Whisper XXL has started on the GPU. RAM is occupied approximately 1.5 gigabytes. Work has begun on the video files that we uploaded. Loading of the video memory is underway, almost 1.5 gigabytes. Let's say we are approaching 2 gigabytes. Yes, the model is starting to work. Recording the time, peak video memory consumption is 2.5 gigabytes, video core loading reaches 100%, on average it's 60%. As you can see, the operation is completed in 220 seconds, that's about 3.5 minutes. The speed of recognition is approximately 3 times. How good is the recognition quality? Let's reproduce the video file. Subtitles will be displayed automatically.
I can play that on my Gibson Les Paul.
Go on then.
Ashley Pangborn model. I can't actually, Rob, play it to
So
you.
you're alive?
No, because I haven't got an amplifier, actually.
Well, we could listen just a bit.
You could? Okay then. No, what, sorry? Oh, we're running right out of time, Rob. Oh, dearie me. Time now. Time now. What? Oh, time now for the... By the way, if you're a European and English is not your first language, a fibber means it's a nice way of saying lie.
Porcupines.
Because Rob the cameraman lives in this old-fashioned... Okay, you can both see your empty... Okay, do you understand?
Tie.
My tie?
Yeah, you're tired. Yeah, I just knew you were gonna pull up your sweater, but... I'm not crazy, you're the one who's crazy. You're slow, you know?
I'm slow.
You don't understand a joke when you hear it.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, we seem to have lost Claudia.
My whole family are laughing at you now.
Okay, Claudia. No, shut up, Craig. Now, I know, Claudia. One day is fine.
In general, I like the quality. I think it's excellent. At least in this video clip. By the way, during the viewing of this broadcast, I came across an advertisement in German. So it's the perfect time to recognize the speech and automatically with the Whisper model immediately translate it into English. Here is the advertisement.
Machen Sie es möglich. Rufen Sie 001 809 563 0000. Sprechen Sie mit interessanten Leuten landesweit. 001 809 563 0000. Treffen Sie neue Leute 24 Stunden am Tag. 001 809 563 0000. 001 809 563 0000.
It's interesting what might have been advertised in Germany at MTV in '93. Don't you agree with me? The German language is listed here. It's supported by the model as I see it. I will create a BAT file to recognize German language, automatic translation option. Let's go. Warning about the timestamps at the word level may not correspond to reality. Apparently due to the translation process. Let's watch with the translation.
Machen Sie es möglich. Rufen Sie 001 809 563 0000. Sprechen Sie mit interessanten Leuten landesweit. 001 809 563 0000. Treffen Sie neue Leute 24 Stunden am Tag. 001 809 563 0000. 001 809 563 0000.
Yeah, it turns out half the video she was reading out the phone number. Another piece in foreign language fell on me. It's the host at a rock concert in Germany announcing the appearance of a singer from the Soviet Union. Let's try to understand what he is saying here.
Immer hinter der Bühne, wir bereiten uns gerade den Doppeljoker vor. Panikband freut sich sehr. Monika übt jetzt alle. Ich kriege das. Ja, sie alle auf Stadien, Konzerten.
Put our file to shortcut.
Einstellung Ich sehe, die Stimmung ist exzellent, Stimmung ist sehr gut. Liebe Leute, wir fühlen uns prima hinter der Bühne. Wir bereiten jetzt gerade den Doppeljoker vor. Die Panikband freut sich sehr auf euch, so auch ich, die Nachtigall. Aber jetzt erstmal, ein bisschen später kommt die Sichel, jetzt kommt erstmal der Hammer aus Moskau. Und zwar Alla Pugatschowa wird gleich zu euch kommen. Ein bisschen schlapp sind wir ja noch. Wir haben gestern gespielt in München, sehr großes Festival. Vorgestern Duisburg. Da vorne eine Menge Konzerte in Moskau und in Leningrad. Das war absolut gut. So Begegnung mit ganz vielen, total auch sehr unterschiedlichen Leuten in der Sowjetunion. Wir hoffen, dass es irgendwie so weitergeht mit der deutsch-sowjetischen Freundschaft und dass wir dann mit der Panikband auch rüberfahren können. Immer wieder auch in andere Städte und das ganz viel Moskau, Leningrad auch. Weil üben. Immer sowas wollen wir doch sehen, oder? Und dann bringen wir gemeinsam das Lied unserer aller Sehnsucht. Das Lied vom Frieden und von der Abrüstung. Und dass wir in Deutschland auch ganz entschlossen vorgehen und sowas wie Pioniere werden in Sachen Abrüstung. Wir haben viel mitgekriegt in der Sowjetunion von einer Welt, in der es keine Grenzen mehr gibt, jetzt bei Stadien. Und das geht da gnadenlos zur Sache. Wir haben mit ihr ein paar sehr große Konzerte gemacht, im Gorki Park in Moskau und im Lenin Sportstadion in... Das hier, danke, ciao, bis gleich. Alla Pugatschowa!
Okay, this is a friendship of nations in 87. Let's summarize. Speech recognition model time Faster Whisper XXL 3-5 times less than the duration of the recognized fragments. Video memory for the medium model requires approximately 2.5 GB. The required disk space is equal to 5 to 6 GB. The required amount of RAM is equal to 3 to 4 GB. Recognition quality is good. There is even a possibility to translate it directly into English. In the future, we are planning to the real-time recognition as well as recognition with subsequent translation not into English using an LLM.